Happy Thursday. It's actually morning time, something I don't know much about. But today is the day I'm going to take my car and get it set up at the Civic Center for the World of Wheels show this weekend. Today is work day, basically, and I'm going to try to vlog it. I've taken down before, but I've never set up, and I've surely not ever had my own car in it. So I'm excited, and I'm nervous, and I'm anxious, and I haven't had fucking 3 hours of sleep. So I'm extremely exhausted. So this should be fun. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can. I'm taking a tiny little tripod. We'll see if we can set that up while I'm working. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, but I'll try. Alright,
hey, you might want to sit on that. Okay, hold that down right there and don't fall me down. Oh, hang on, that's ugly.
Yeah, there's also a rip by my car.
Okay. Don't hurt your knees, babe.
I'm not.
This is a hard floor.
Yeah, there's a big rip on my car.
Is there? Which one are you looking at? Yeah. That T-bird right there, that's the star.
Oh, is it?
I'll have to show you later.
Well, everybody will have a good video of me moving them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this should have touched.
Yeah, but it's too late. It's not our fault. Yeah, hold on down. We're gonna do one on both pockets. Good?
Yep. Stuck my own fingers to it. Oh, it's coming up off the lip here.
We have two. Yes.
Yeah, it is, ain't it? We gotta go across this one.
Yep.
my last time.
Your last time?
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
Don't need pissed. You got outlet? I can get you kicked out. Can you come in? Can you go out? You got the forklift right there. Yeah. Okay.
All the batteries have to be unplugged, and you have to put tape over the gas tank in the car. So, I don't know if you can see my car or not.
Here's ours. Oh yeah, you haven't seen your engine yet. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's a lot. That looks much better painted. All this, I'd like all that out right there. Yeah. Alright, let's load.
Okay, so we're across the street at Subway right now getting something to eat because we've been working, taping down. You have to take down all the carpet, you have to take down the gas caps on all the vehicles, disconnect all the batteries, and I haven't even gotten around to cleaning up my car yet. So we're gonna stop and have a sandwich, we'll get back up there, and then we're going to clean up my car and clean up whatever car is his shop rod. So that's where we're at right now.
It's gonna taste so good.
I know, right? When you got to carry stuff for other people.
Got a massive headache.
I've got a huge headache too. I've got some Excedrin in my car.
I'm gonna need it.
That's the weird thing. It's like I'm used to certain things being in my car, and I'm not gonna have my car at home this weekend, and that feels really weird. I guess we cross over here. You know, I'm still angry that we didn't get to do Comic-Con because they freaking moved it up so early.
I know.
Oh, see, I'm tripping everywhere.
And you got Dan's water. Yeah.
Yeah. See that row of windows up there? That's where our cars are.
Are you need to, after we eat, do a little video of all the cars.
Yeah, before there's people. But I'm gonna do a whole vlog.
And then after this, I need to go.
Where's my sandwich?
Right there.
Dang, look at all the vegetables. Wait, who's saying? That's Mike's, right? Mm-hmm. I'm confused. I'm tired and confused.
Just Andy. Okay. Back. How you talking about? Okay. Robert still has food.
Snap on. I just want to make sure you got it.
Oh. I'm so good. I'm so hungry.
Mm-hmm. You're starving.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I know we have one. I just don't know exactly where it is.
Well, okay. Well, if we got one,
I know we have one.
Okay, well, let's go
I
ahead.
got greasy thumbprints.
Take
Take
it
mine.
We're going to start putting up our towers and all that stuff.
Okay.
Oh, should we eat later?
We'll get all the 56 pieces and parts over here.
Yeah.
And, take this out.
And now my car gets clean. Let's see.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, look at the difference when I just run the duster over.
Oh, I know.
I can't do the very top or anything.
Here, let me get it. I want to get the dust off before it starts spraying.
Yeah.
Okay. Wiping these tires off, your hands are always waterproof with all that tire dressing.
Okay, hold on. We have just quick shined my car. Hold on.
Where Dennis and everybody go? Dennis is right over there talking to Fred. Dan and Manny left. Manny drove up here. Not $5.
Hold on. Excuse me.
Hold on. We got some at the shop. We can get some pop. Selfie stick.
Yeah. That was warm, wasn't it? Hell yeah, I heard it. I felt it. It warmed your jeans up, didn't it?
Asshole.
Oh my god.
I didn't think
Jesus Christ.
I just gonna try to do it quiet.
Here's that teriyaki shit.
Yeah, you're gonna stink. Just wait until we get to the truck.